So we're gonna learn three things which we have to consider while reading the Word of God. The first thing, we have to look on the principles. The second thing, we have to find the promises. And the third thing, we have to find the prophecies. Now, we can look an example from Deuteronomy 28:1. The Word of God says, "It shall come to pass when you shall listen to the voice of the Lord, to observe and to do all his commandments, the Lord thy God will lift you up above all nations on earth." So from this Bible verse, we can see the three things. We can see the promise, we can see the principle, and the prophecy. The promise is that the Lord will lift you above all nations on earth. And the principle is that we have to listen to his voice by reading the word. We have to observe and to do all what the word of God has said. And lastly, the prophecy. The prophecy is when we say it shall come to pass, meaning it is something which must occur in the future if you'll apply the principle and the promise. Thank you.